Hi, my name's Ian from Big Bear Trailers. Just wanted to show you today basically a trailer key cleaning kit that we've pulled together in conjunction with AutoSmart. Now this kit is brilliant for an aluminium sided trailer. So we would typically use it on this sort of trailer that's a Cheval Liberte horse trailer, but also the Debon box trailers that are using the same anodised aluminium planking. But this is also great for the Anssems models of trailers as well, because the cleaning material that we've got in here is very compatible with that as well. Just to give you an overview, and I should have had a list of everything that's in here, but we've got a shampoo and a sponge. So literally start at the basics. So jet wash your trailer, shampoo and sponges in here, and you've also got a chamois cloth for drying it off. But then you've also got the materials that I'm about to show you. So we've got some tyre shine, we've got some cobalt that we'll use for mud guards, and also the front panel here. And then we've also got some material that we use for the anodised aluminium planking as well. So if I put this down for now, let's go and actually show you some of the product in action. We're going to do the tyre shine for you first, because that's the one that we put on and leave on, and you don't have to rub it or touch it or anything like that. So if I do that first, we'll be able to see the results a little bit later. So these tyres aren't bad, to be fair, but they're not looking particularly glossy. So all you do, spray it up and literally just spray. Try and keep the can vertical if you can. And then, sounded like the can there so let me just do that. So we're just going to leave that. We don't do any more with that. So I'm just going to throw that to one side. Next up, I'm going to do the mud guard. So for that, we use the cobalt. So just bear with me while I walk across camera here, because I'd left everything over this side. So what we can do here, a couple of cloths. So these are in your pack as well. So we've got cobalt together with a cloth that's really good for this sort of stuff. So all we're going to do is spray it onto here and wipe. So the nice thing is it just gets rid of all those grimy marks, and that's that. So that's before and that's an after, just for the sake of, I get a bit OCD once I start on this stuff. I can't leave one. Just gonna get that cloth in there, which we'll come to, but let's do this one as well. And then you get the satisfaction of having the two done, as long as you don't go around the other side, that is. So there we go. So that's looking great. Next up, so again, all within your pack, the cobalt, the cloth, so you've got that too. Then with this one, with the anodised aluminium planking, this is a cleanish trailer, fairly new, but it has already picked up some road dirt. Now your jet washing might get rid of the majority of that, but if you end up with any stubborn stains, this is where this cleaner is brilliant. And we give you some of the green cleaner, what's called a magic sponge, and another cloth as well. So if you can see, particularly down here, there's some grime marks. So all I'm going to do is spray. Let's use the cloth to start with and see how we go. And that's got rid of the majority of that. But I have, as you can see there, I've got a little stain just there. So let's put a little bit of extra on there. Excuse me turning my back on you for a second. But with the use of the magic cloth, that's now completely gone. And if you've got a trailer that's just that little bit older, that's where the combination of these two items coming together is brilliant. Because this cloth, the magic cloth, is just amazing. If you feel it, it feels soft, but actually it's just got a real, very, very light abrasive in there. And the two combined are just brilliant. And I think in your pack, you end up with about 6 of these as well, because you see over time, they just disintegrate and it starts to crumble, which is what you want it to do, rather than causing any damage to your trailer. So I can get carried away here. So literally, I start to wipe. But if you get any stubborn stains, like maybe up here, just use the magic cloth again. And there were a couple of marks on there that were just showing. So let's get rid of those. So the combo of doing the wash to start with, then going in afterwards to do the detailing. Now the other bit I just wanted to show you as well, which isn't the case on the Anssems trailers, but on the Cheval and the Debon. Let's have a look at the front panel here. Now, with our wash, we would have got rid of the majority of this, but if you've got any stubborn marks, again, this is a really light polish, but it's one of those you don't have to put a huge amount of effort into. So again, you've got a cloth for this. So it's a microfiber cloth, which is the word I was looking for earlier and couldn't find it. But if you see, I don't know whether you can see there, but really nice gloss black, very dirty and grubby on the other side. So again, all part of your pack. So let's just go back and look at those tyres. They're nearly there, they're not quite there just yet, but that finishes with a really nice gloss finish, and the trailer's looking fantastic. So worth investing in the pack, which you can either supply with you if you're buying a brand new trailer, or we can mail to you if you've already bought a trailer from somebody else. But it's taken us a while, to be fair, to find the products for us to use in our workshops, as far as pre-prepping trailers and what have you, and also when we're trying to make used trailers look that little bit better. But now I think we've got it sorted, and we've got it sorted to a level where we're comfortable to go, do you know what, we can sell this on to somebody because we're really comfortable using it ourselves. So if you're interested, please do give us a call. Big Bear Trailers in Oundle, Northamptonshire. Our number here, 01832 770 888. Thanks very much. Bye now.